hope you liked that individual sound for our Volt single elemental. More parts of Energy Island's individual sounds will come and end on August 27th or August 28th, whichever one comes first. It's not a big deal, but if you want to help out with the full song of this island, plus all future islands, you may speak to me on the Google Classroom. It's not a big deal. You can find the link in the About section of this very channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.